What's up, cuties? It's Izzy, and you know what's going on. We're packing for LA. I'm having approximately 3 full days there, but overall it's like a 6-day trip. It's a lot of traveling, so I'm not only looking for outfits to be comfy and cute traveling, but also to bust looks while I'm in LA and then going back home. Let's pack for LA. I know usually people would plan day by day, but because I'm traveling twice, I'm traveling with just a personal item, and then going back I'll have a carry-on because I'm going to be thrifting. This is going to be a heavy thrifting trip. I don't have a lot of room going there, so I'm realistically going to try to have my travel days to be days where I pack on a lot of clothes. I have 3 full days, so my idea is to have a bad bitch outfit for every single day, and then a casual option to be able to like rework that for maybe going to the coffee shop. You know, I gotta do a little editing on this trip, or maybe going to the thrift stores and be able to try clothes over the thrift store. You know what I'm saying? You see the vibe I'm going for. So the first thing I really want to plan around are these bloomers that I made. They're so flipping cute. I just came out with my summer photo shoot and I wore these in that one. I'm highly excited to wear these on the trip. I honestly made them for this LA trip, so I for sure have to get this in there. The question is, what am I going to style this with? So we have these shorts, and as far as top options, let's look. A lot of options. Originally I was going to wear this. It has a cute little inbuilt in ascot situation. I wore this for the try-on portion of making the bloomers. Go and check that out. I'll put a card up in case you want to see the process of me making these. I upcycled this from pants and I turned it into this. I don't know if I really like it together. I was trying to crop. Originally this was a full-size shirt. It's a 4X, which is like a size above mine. It's an oversized look to it, but because it's see-through, I have trouble figuring out what I want to wear underneath it. And it's kind of hot, and again, I don't have a lot of room, so I'm not trying to pack overly layering. I really want to layer with jewelry more than I want to with actual clothing pieces. I'm typically a big layer on top of clothing. You see what I'm wearing. But I think I want to switch it up a little bit and wear more accessories to do my still like maximalist look that I like. Alternatively, I have this top, but it's a way more blush pink than the bloomers are, which could work. But I also am having a love-hate relationship with this tank top. When I got it, I was like, oh, I can wear this more, I can wear casual days. But because it is vintage and secondhand, it is giving just like a Dingetta situation, you know what I'm saying? Something I could do is a color blocking. Let's try this on and see what. Okay, on first look, I'm actually not mad at this, but I feel like it needs to be built up. And this is one of those outfits that I don't mind if I have to do some extra layering and put it in my bag. I know I just said I didn't want to, but this is an outfit that's worth it. These shorts is really truly worth it. Part of me wants to put these little white heels that I have with it, and I have one on right now, and it's not bad. It's not bad. This is one of those outfits that I'm not mad at, but for some reason it's not cooking. Like, it looks good. It looks good even on camera, but it doesn't seem like the one, you know? After much trial and error, I've landed on this. I really like this top, the floral tying in with the shorts, and then I have like the shoes because I love soft hearts. And then of course my flooring to tie in. And I was going to wear my favorite sunglasses, but I can't seem to find them. My backup pair are these, which I think are cute still. If these are giving Amber Rose, I definitely think I'm giving Amber Rose right now. These are technically solar shields, so like when you're going to get an eye exam or you have a laser eye surgery, these are what those are for, but they also like really help with the UVs. I think it's cute. Wait, okay, so I added this hat for more sun protection, or if I'm not feeling my hair that day. I think it's cute. Let me know in the comments, hat or no hat. Okay, I landed on this option completely on accident. Originally I was gonna pair this skirt with this top, but I was like, wait, what does this blazer look like with this skirt? And I'm loving it. Okay, so now the headband. I feel like the headband will be controversial, but I kind of love it. I feel like a level of cuteness to the whole thing. It changes from like, oh, she's being sexy, hot, seductress, to then be like, oh wait, she's adorable. Like, look at her headband. That's what's going through my head. Let me know what's going through yours. But I could obviously wear it without it. Let me show you without it. Just for the people who are not screaming at the screen. But yeah, this is what it looks like without it. And I'm obsessed with it. Now the question is, what shoes? It's Tevas or my heeled Crocs. My heeled Crocs is talking to me. Okay, I feel like if I wear the heeled Crocs, I can't wear the headband. This is what it looks like with the headband and the Crocs. This is what it looks like without the headband and the Crocs. I think the Crocs are giving the same effect that the headband was giving, and I think that's why I want to take them away. But I'm also concerned about taking these Crocs on the plane, considering I already don't have space in my luggage, so that means I'll be having to wear the Crocs to LA in the airport and back home, which would not be bad because these are slide out, so I could take them off at TSA and have no problems at all. But that means I also have to like just walk around in these, which again is not a problem. They're comfortable. You dress up, you try on the little cutie outfits that you want to wear, and then you style up the casual looks, because now I have to do my casual looks surrounded by the Crocs. I'm still gonna bring the headband just in case I am feeling in a Teva mood when I wear this. Just in case. And in case you were concerned, the purse and the sunglasses, do go with this as well. And I think it is eating. This is without the headband. And I'm leaning toward not having the headband, but again, I will still bring it. Okay, this is my third look. And I'm trying to incorporate the shoes again so they're not just wasteful in the bag. And I'm doing it double time. And I really love the shirt. I recently got it, and it's supposed to be a zip on the side, but I'll be sliding that bitch on. And I just feel like that's how you know. Yeah, I just love this pattern and the little tassels on here. It's so fun to play with. And I'm trying to keep it casual because after 2 days of doing, like, obviously the first look, the bloomers are pretty comfortable, and the shirt is, I think, the biggest thing about the shirt is I'm not sure how it's going to do in the heat. It's supposed to be 80 degrees plus the entire time I'm there. Sunny, no clouds. So I don't know how that polyester is going to do on my skin. But I'm just giving myself basically a break with this outfit. The little casual cargo-y capris with my gladiators. Again, like I said, I want to be able to incorporate these as many times as possible. And I have this cute little Luna necklace. And I thought the hoops, and then in my hand, I do have an alternative earring. This is what it looks like with the hoops. Or with the cutesy Malaysian handmade earrings. I feel like I'm gravitating toward the hoops because I'm a hoop girl in my core. But I'm still going to bring these just in case, you know, if I want something a little different. Because I think it does a little something different for the outfit. But overall, this is outfit 3. And yes, the bag does go with the outfit as well. I know you were intrigued. We're taking a brief intermission from some outfits to talk about swimsuits. This is one of the swimsuits that I want to wear. I have gone to Jamaica to experience a proper beach. But I would love to see what the States have. I know Chicago has beaches, but it's just a lake water, and I want to see what that ocean water feels like. So I have a couple options for swimsuits. I'm thinking this one. This is really cute and mainly good for photos. Less of actually getting in the water because the boobies will flop out, and in case it's not like a private beach or a private sort of kind of beach, I need to be able to be covered. So this is option 1, mainly for photos, and I think it's really cute. I'm a big fan. It has a crisscross back that you can kind of do a lot with these ties, and I'm obsessed with that. And while yes, I'll be whipping around the city, to some degree I do need to be covered, so this is what I'm thinking to do over the swimsuit. And again, I think this can roll up really nicely in the suitcase. And because I would love to play mermaids in the ocean, this is the option where I can just swimming around and have no worries about anything falling out. I'm obsessed with this 2-piece set that I got from Wisconsin on a little bay trip. But yeah, I'm really excited about this swimsuit, and I'm excited about this trip. Like, it's coming together. Okay, this is gonna be my travel outfit. It is a Scandalacia look. I would say, I don't know, some people might be cringing, but just keep in mind, I'm trying to get a lot of clothes into a tiny little bag. I'll have a carry-on on the way home, so obviously I can take a little bit of this off, but on the way there, this is what I imagine I'll be wearing. There's no aesthetic, cool two-piece set. This is a cool, casual mismatch of aesthetics and look. So I have this apron on, which I'm thinking is a cute backup outfit to these vintage bike shorts that I have. Most of my clothes are thrifted. I know I haven't mentioned where I'm getting certain pieces or why I pull certain things, but just imagine everything's from the thrift store. Anything like the bloomers that I made are the only pretty much the thing that's like a little different. But overall, I think this would be really cute together. The apron with the bike shorts. This cute little pink tank top with the cat on the front. It's so cute, and I think this would go really nice together with, honestly, it could go with the gladiator shoes or the Crocs. It's one of those just gag outfits that I just love. I love throwing a gag outfit in there. And I also am bringing this boxer skirt that I did make. I thought this was really cute as an additive just in case I'm looking for something more casual on a day. And then underneath that layer, we have these pants, and I thought it would be really nice for just a casual on the plane look. I'm thinking to wear this on the way back as well in case I don't buy anything specifically that it will be cool for the plane. I do want to get more sports clothing because I am going to be working outside this summer, so I want more, you know, loungy, cute things. But in case I don't find anything not in LA, this is a great alternative and also a good pajama item because I am staying with my friend out there, which will add to the whole experience. First time I went to LA, I only went there with 24 hours, no money, no car, no license, and a bit of a struggle, and I did not enjoy it. So I'm hoping to go 100% 360, oh, actually 180 turnaround and have one of the best times that I possibly can. I'm renting a car, I'm staying with a friend, and I just think I'm gonna have a good time. I have some shopping money. So I think it truly is gonna be a great time, and I'm excited to experience it. But yeah, this is gonna be my oversized shirt that I'm gonna probably wear to sleeping with the little cutesy pink pants. And I wore this hat because I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit in the bag comfortably, and I love a little sun protection. Obviously I can wear this with the Crocs because I just need to be able to get them on the plane comfortably and not take up too much room in my bag. I'll see if I can take any of this off in my packing time. You know what I mean? Like once I start packing things, maybe I'll know for sure. I don't really have any crazy plans other than going thrifting, going to many beaches, and just vibing out the whole time through. Definitely subscribe so you can see where I'm wearing all these outfits. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok while you're at it, and you'll see all the shenanigans that I come up with. I post every Wednesday, and I will be dropping a vlog and a whole thrifting thrift with me video on my YouTube channel. So definitely follow to see the full experience. Post every Wednesday. And on that note, I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget, you can do anything because you're a cutie. Bye. Izzy, 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 Izzy. Izzy, 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 Izzy. Izzy, Izzy.